Yesterday I saw this tweet where this guy was announcing that they are providing GPT-5.6 Luna for completely free. I didn't believe it at first, but still I clicked on the link that this guy was providing, obviously after checking his profile that this guy is legit or not, and it blew my mind. I went to their website, I installed their CLI, I installed their desktop agentic app. By using their CLI agentic coding tool, I created this 2048 game. Then I installed their agentic desktop app and I created this tic-tac-toe game. They also provide some more agentic tools. Let's deep dive into Freebuff. Let's see if it is free, and if it is, then how are they making it 100% free? What's the catch? Is it worth, and should you cancel your premium subscriptions? Let's find out. So this is the Freebuff website. Currently they provide their desktop app, which is a competitor to Claude desktop app, Codex desktop app, and anti-gravity desktop app. Then there is a CLI app, which is the competitor of Claude Code, Codex terminal app, or anti-gravity CLI app. They also provide a web version of an agentic builder, which you can consider the direct competitor to Lovable and Replit. They also provide their Freebuff Cloud, where you can get a cloud sandbox with live preview and build with their free models. Then in the end, there is this classic chat UI, which is the competitor for Claude Chat and ChatGPT Web or Google's Gemini. I want to show you their CLI app. To install their CLI app, you have to install Node Package Manager first. After that, you can copy this command, go to your terminal, paste the command here and press enter, and it will be installed for you. Once the installation is done, to open their CLI app, you can just write Freebuff. After running Freebuff, it will ask you to log in. Just go to the browser and log in, and then you will also start seeing this window. Let me explain why I'm seeing premium and unlimited as two sections. Because I'm in Germany, in USA, Canada, EU region, UK region, DeepSeek V4 Flash and Mimo 2.5 are unlimited, like completely free. And then there are these premium models, which are DeepSeek V4 Pro, GPT-5.6 Luna, and MiniMax M3. For these premium models, collectively you get 6 sessions of 1 hour each, and it resets every day at 9 AM. And in the box, you will also see may use data for AI training. So here comes the free part. There are these models which are trained on your data, which are trained on your code base, which are trained on your prompts that you are providing to the models. So these two models, DeepSeek V4 Pro and DeepSeek V4 Flash, will use your data for AI training. And that's how they are making this free. Because as we all know, when something's free, you are the product. And if you are outside US, EU, UK, Australia, New Zealand region, then you will see all these 5 models under premium section. So you will get 6 sessions of 1 hour in 24 hours, and it will reset every day at 9 AM. Once you select the model, you will see the screen which is similar to Claude Code and Codex. So I asked the agent to create a single HTML file for 2046 game, which is wrong by the way. I meant to say 2048, but it was a typo. So it recognized that 2046 is almost certainly a typo for 2048. And then it went ahead and created the game for me. You can also see these blocks of ads throughout the conversation, and that is one more way Freebuff is making money, by showing you ads. But this agentic app is actually powerful. When I asked it to create this HTML file, it just didn't go and write code and hand it over the file to me. It created it and it tested it with inbuilt tools like Basher. It tested for JS syntax. It also has some inbuilt sub agents like Code Reviewer, DeepSeek Flash. It reviewed the code that it has created, and then it also has a browser use agent. It can open this HTML page in a browser session, and it has Chrome dev tools such as navigate page, take snapshot, take screenshot, press key, and also evaluating the script. And then it will make a conclusion if the web app that it has created is working fine or not. And then after that thorough review, it found some bugs. Then it went ahead and fixed those bugs. Then again used this browser use sub agent, tested what it has created. So it has used this code review DeepSeek Flash sub agent multiple times. It also has used this browser use sub agent multiple times to evaluate what it has created. And in the end, it gave me this 2048 HTML file with the game features, with the bugs that it found while creating this app, and also the verification summary. And again, there are these ads. And this is how this app looks. It works fine. There are no bugs. And to be honest, I played this game multiple times. You can see my previous score as well here. The UI is so clean. It is minimal. You can change the theme to dark and light. You can undo the game. You can have new game. You can see your best score and you can see your current score. CLI app from me, 10 on 10. Let's move to the next tool, which is the desktop app. This desktop app is available in macOS, Windows and Linux. And when you will open the app, you will see an app like this, I would say, which is little bit similar to the anti-gravity app. Since this is in beta, they don't have the scheduled tasks or some other features that Claude Code and Codex and anti-gravity desktop app provide. I asked this agentic app to create a single file HTML tic-tac-toe game, and it created that for me. You can see there are ads again in this app. There is one more thing which would be interesting for you to know, that when you ask this app to create anything, you will see the queue of the sub agents that it is using in this queue tab on the right side. It also has some inbuilt skills like find skills or agent browser by Versal Labs. Also, it has this front-end design from Anthropic. So you can just save the skills from here and the agentic app will start using it. You can also create some skills from scratch directly in this. Also, if you are building any app, you don't have to go to your browser again and again to see how the app looks. It also has this preview over here and you can use it directly in this. The agent also uses the same preview to test the app to see if it is working fine or not. There is a small UI bug in this. There is this white winning line which doesn't complete. Let me ask the agent to fix this bug. It finished answering and it finished testing. The game itself works, but it couldn't figure out the bug regarding this winning line. Maybe because we are using DeepSeek V4 Flash, maybe Pro model could have solved it. I don't know. But these are the shortcomings that you should know. I am someone who wants to be honest with his audience. That's why I'm not only showing you the successful results, I also want you to show where these things can fail. If I want to fix this, I'm definitely sure if I switch now GPT 5.6 Luna, this error will be solved because that model is smarter than DeepSeek V4 Flash. But I wanted to show you how this agentic app works. You also get the same models that you get in the CLI. DeepSeek V4 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Pro, GPT 5.6 Luna, MiniMax M3, Mimo 2.5. And if you want to have access to GLM 5.2, you can also do that. You just have to refer a friend of yours. But that's completely your choice. If you like this tool, if you want to do it, you can do it. Otherwise, you can skip it. And then there is web and cloud. So web also works a similar way as the desktop app, but the web section only gives you access to Mimo 2.5 and DeepSeek V4 Flash. So if you want to use more models, either you have to download CLI or you have to download desktop app. And then in the cloud version, you can connect your repository, which you have already created, or a personal project that you might have already working on, or you can just go to this plan a custom project or describe whatever product that you want. And this cloud sandbox will create everything for you and also will show you a preview of your app that you have described to it. In the chat section also, I only see DeepSeek V4 Flash and Mimo 2.5. Maybe to try, you can just start with this first, then you can install CLI and you can install the desktop app. Currently, these are the users that are live right now on their platform. The most used is obviously DeepSeek V4 Flash because it is unlimited, and GPT 5.6 Luna because it is the most powerful model that they are providing. I also want to show you the intelligence of the models that they are providing. If you see DeepSeek V4 Flash that they are providing, which is 0731, is as powerful as Gemini 3.6 Flash, which Google just released. And then they provide Xiaomi's Mimo V2.5, which has scored 37 on Intelligence Index. I consider it as the weakest model that they provide, but DeepSeek V4 is a balance between the strongest model and the weakest model. GPT 5.6 Luna has scored 51 on Intelligence Index, so it is the strongest model that they are providing currently. From Freebuff's Twitter history, I have noticed that they keep on changing the model catalog, so we don't know if these models get removed and some other models get added. That is not in our hands. Is this error free? Are there no bugs if there is no rate limiting? Actually, while using their CLI app, I encountered this error. You might also get this error when you are using this. After some time, I didn't face that error. So if you face this error after some time, for you as well, it will get fixed. So what should you do now? Should you use this tool? In my honest opinion, you should definitely try this tool because it's free. Are they training their models on your data? Yes, whenever you select a model which shows that this model is training on your data, they will train their model on your data. So be mindful of which model you are using. And as I always say, never use these free tools on your proprietary code or a code which is sensitive or your company's code, because these models will use your proprietary code or your company's code to train their models, and it will be a breach of contract for you. So you have to be mindful of that. So always use these free tools on your personal projects. If you are someone who is a student or who is someone who can't pay for these premium models from Claude or ChatGPT or Cursor, you should definitely look at this option because it gives you a free entry point to this agentic AI coding world. So get your ideas, write down a plan, pass it to these models, and they will create something for you. If you are a premium user, should you cancel your subscriptions? Definitely not. We are not at that point yet where free models or local LLMs can beat the premium models. So if you can afford to pay for premium models, I'll always suggest you to get a paid plan because those models like Fable 5 or GPT 5.6 Soul can't be beaten and nobody will give those models to you for free. And the last thing to address is till when this will be free. I don't know. Nobody knows. So till this is free, just use it to learn a coding language, use it to create an app that you always imagined that you can create, but you didn't have money for it. If you have any questions, if you find any difficulties while following this video, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely try to help you. If you are new to the channel, I have created this channel to cover AI related topics. So if you want me to cover any tool, let me know in the comments and I'll try to cover it in the next videos. I'm currently working on a video covering Hermes agent. So if you are interested in that topic, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. So let's grow in this AI journey together and see you in the next one.